Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. Coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and the chrome appearance package, obviously giving you plenty of chrome accents, chrome rims, chrome running boards, chrome handles, and whatnot. But let's take a look inside. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 with a full leather interior, fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having 2 more in the middle there, with a 12 volts USB and USB-C, 120 volt power outlet, and heated rear seats, as well as the seats being able to fold up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have power folding and telescoping towing mirrors, and 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck information, towing information, navigation, phone, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. You also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology and your lane keeping system, as well as your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your truck. Above that, you have your camera view again with your forward-facing camera, and park assist sensor shutoff, hazards, traction control shutoff, and you do have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto, locking rear differential, and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the opposite end you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, you have a 12 volt and 120 volt power outlet, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. Moving down, you have this cubby with a USB, USB-C, and wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and can also be collapsed out of the way for more open space here, and so that you can fold out your interior work surface. So if you want to eat in your truck, work in your truck, you have a nice flat surface to do so from. Then you have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. Then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, you have a twin panel moonroof so you can land the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. Now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.